In this video, we listed the 5 best USB-C Ethernet adapter that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. UGREEN USB-C to Ethernet adapter. The UGREEN USB-C to Ethernet adapter delivers a fast and stable wired internet connection with speeds up to 1000 Mbps, making it ideal for work, gaming, streaming, and large downloads when Wi-Fi is slow or unreliable. Designed for modern devices without a built-in LAN port, it easily adds a Gigabit RJ45 Ethernet port to laptops, tablets, and smartphones via USB-C or Thunderbolt 3.4. The adapter supports plug-and-play operation on Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, and Android, while older systems can install drivers quickly. Built with a durable aluminum alloy housing, it offers better heat dissipation and long-term reliability in a compact, lightweight design. With wide compatibility across devices like MacBook, iPad, Chromebook, Nintendo Switch, Steam Deck, and iPhone 18 to 17 series, this adapter is a reliable and portable networking solution for everyday use. Number 2. TP-Link UE300C USB-C to Ethernet adapter. The TP-Link USB-C to Gigabit Ethernet adapter provides a fast, stable, and secure wired internet connection by converting your USB-C port into a 10, 100, 1000 Mbps RJ45 Ethernet interface, making it ideal for online meetings, gaming, file transfers, and HD streaming. Built with USB-C 3.0, it delivers full gigabit performance for smooth and reliable connectivity, especially in environments where Wi-Fi is unstable. Its ultra-compact and foldable design makes it easy to carry for travel or remote work, while the plug-and-play setup ensures instant use on Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, and Linux without drivers. Compatible with a wide range of devices such as MacBook, iPad Pro, Dell XPS, Surface Laptop, and Chromebooks, and backed by TP-Link's Secure by Design cybersecurity commitment, this adapter is a dependable networking solution for home, office, and on-the-go use. Number 3. Uni USB-C to Ethernet adapter. The Uni USB-C to Gigabit Ethernet adapter offers a fast and reliable wired internet connection with speeds up to 1 Gbps, ensuring smooth downloads, streaming, and online work even when Wi-Fi is unstable. Designed for true plug-and-play performance, it delivers consistent Ethernet connectivity to USB-C devices without interruption. Its compact and lightweight design features a premium aluminum housing for efficient heat dissipation, a braided nylon cable for enhanced durability, and a snug USB-C connector for stable signal transfer without blocking nearby ports. With wide compatibility across devices including iPhone 15, 16, Pro Max, MacBook Pro Air, iPad Pro Air, Samsung Galaxy devices, Chromebooks, Dell XPS, and more, plus an 18-month warranty and responsive customer support. This adapter is a dependable networking solution for everyday use at home, office, or on the go. Number 4. vilcome USB-C to Ethernet adapter. The vilcome USB-C hub with Ethernet is a versatile 4-in-1 multi-port adapter that expands a single USB-C port into a Gigabit 1000 Mbps Ethernet connection, plus 3 USB 3.0 ports, allowing all ports to work simultaneously for maximum productivity. With 5 Gbps data transfer speeds, it easily handles external drives, keyboards, mice, printers, and other USB peripherals while enabling fast file transfers and smooth HD media playback. The hub features true plug-and-play functionality, requiring no drivers and providing instant, stable wired internet access for devices without an Ethernet port. Designed with a compact, lightweight aluminum body, it's easy to carry and built for durability. Widely compatible with MacBook Pro Air, iPad Pro Air, Dell XPS, Surface devices, Chromebooks, Samsung Galaxy phones, and more. This adapter is an ideal all-in-one connectivity solution for work, home, and travel. Number 5. Anker USB-C to Ethernet adapter. The Anker Power. Expand USB-C to Gigabit Ethernet adapter delivers fast and reliable wired internet access with speeds up to 1 Gbps, making it perfect for streaming, online work, and stable browsing on USB-C devices. Built with Anker's trusted technology and used by over 65 million customers worldwide, it offers instant connectivity from virtually any USB-C 3.0 device. Its lightweight and ultra-compact design is easy to carry anywhere, while the premium aluminum finish and braided nylon cable ensure durability and a sleek look that matches high-end devices. Backed by an 18-month worry-free warranty and friendly customer support, this adapter is a dependable and portable networking solution for everyday use.